엉덩이 흔들려 심하게 빨라져 네가 날 보니까 관심 없는
Hello, Anika. May delivery ka coming from your dad.
Yan yung po yung surprise for Anika.
Sige po, sige po kayo.
Surprise gift delivery galing kay Daddy Glenn. Happy birthday!
Of course, you have the life-size teddy bear. So also you have
Bakit ba iniiyak? Gusto mo rin ng teddy bear sa kanang bouquet ng ano ba yun? Ferrero Roach. Mamaya bibigyan kita. Ayan, Anika, babasahin ko lang yung message ni daddy mo sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday. As your daddy, I just want to know how very proud I am to have you such an intelligent, simple, beautiful, understanding, and kind daughter. Keep doing what you're doing. Never stop reaching for your dreams. Always be strong and courageous. Just remember that we will always be here for you, to love you and support you. No matter how young or old you might be, you will always be my little girl. Enjoy your day. I love you. Love, Daddy.
Yay!
Okay, everybody, let's sing Happy Birthday song. In 3, 2, 1. Play the music, please.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Come on, say birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, so before you blow the candle, we would like to hear your message to for your father.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you. Kahit malayo ka, love na love kita, and kahit di masyado ganun ka-expressive, love na love pa rin kita, and I miss you.
Okay, ready? Ready to blow your candle in 3, 2, 1, go!
Yay!
Alright. Everybody, let's sing Happy Birthday, Anika! 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Anika!
Yan, medyo naiiyak ako kanina. Kasi makatatay din ako eh. Okay, yung